So today we'll work on people in space project using async await. Async await is a modern way to handle asynchronous operation in JavaScript. Async is used before a function to tell JavaScript that the function will perform tasks that take time and will return a promise. Await is used inside async function to pause the execution of that function until a promise is resolved without blocking the main thread. This makes asynchronous code easier to read, write, and understand while keeping the application responsive. Now, let's get started. Since we're working on async await, open the folder Use async await. Open index.html. To check the preview, right-click, click Open with Live Server. Then open app.js. In the previous video, we finished the project using Fetch API, and now we will convert it into async await. First, remove the getProfiles function, and we'll create a new function that will handle each of these tasks. So delete the function and create a new async function, get all people. Add URL as a parameter. We will then start by making the first request in the API, which is Open Notify API. So declare a variable people response and assign them to await fetch URL. The await keyword is going to wait for a resolved promise returned by fetch. Now parse the response to JSON. So create a new variable people JSON and assign them to await people response.json. Now let's make another request in the API. We'll need to map over the array of objects stored in people JSON to fetch data from Wikipedia API. So add another variable profiles and use people json.people.map. Add person as a parameter. Also add async at the beginning. Create another variable profile response and use await fetch wiki URL plus person.name. Now parse the response to JSON. So create new variable profile JSON and use await profile response.json. Let's also display the spacecraft like in the previous video. So create a variable craft and use person.craft. Then we will combine craft data with the profiles data. So add return inside object, add the spread operator, profile JSON, and craft property. Finally, let's return promise.all profiles to wait on all individual promises, then join them into a single promise that get resolved. Down in the event listener, delete the fetch method, then use get all people function and pass Astro's URL, add then method and reference it to generate HTML function, then add a finally method to remove the button from the page, so add event.target.remove. Check the preview. It works. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll handle errors with try catch block. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.